Yo, what's up everybody, it's I100S, and welcome back to the channel. Now let's be real, who doesn't want to make more money? And what's better than the flexibility and potential of earning online? In 2025 it's more possible than ever, even if you're starting from scratch. In this video I'm going to break down the top 3 simple steps to start generating income online. We're talking about actionable strategies that you can implement right now. So if you're ready to unlock your earning potential and achieve financial freedom, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, because this is one video you don't want to miss. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 3 simple steps to make money online in 2025. Let's get started. The first step to making money online is finding your niche. This is absolutely crucial, guys. This isn't just about picking something you're interested in, it's about finding a sweet spot where there's high demand but low competition. Think about it. You could be the most talented potter in the world, but if there are a million other pottery businesses online, it's going to be way harder to stand out, right? So how do you find that perfect niche? Start by brainstorming your interests and skills. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Once you have a few ideas, it's time to do some research. Use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, Ahrefs. These can help you see what people are searching for and how much competition there is. Remember, you're looking for something with a decent amount of search volume but not too much competition. This is going to be your recipe for success. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to create high-quality content. This is how you're going to attract and retain your audience. And ultimately, that's how you're going to make money. What do I mean by high-quality content? I'm talking about valuable, engaging, and informative content that truly resonates with your target audience. Think about it. Would you rather watch a 10-minute video that's packed with useful information, or a 30-second video that's basically just a sales pitch? Exactly. Depending on your niche, your content could be anything from blog posts and articles to videos, podcasts, social media posts, online courses. The possibilities are endless. The key is to be consistent and provide real value to your audience. Okay, you've found your niche, you're creating amazing content, now it's time to monetize. And trust me, there are more ways to monetize online than ever before. One popular method is affiliate marketing. Basically, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales you generate. Another option is sponsored content. This is where brands pay you to create content that features their products or services. You could also sell your own digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and you can sell them over and over again. And of course, you can always monetize through advertising, either on your website or YouTube channel. The best monetization strategy for you will depend on your niche and your audience. So experiment and see what works best. So there you have it, guys. 3 easy steps to start making money online in 2025. Remember, it all starts with finding your niche, creating high-quality content, and then monetizing your efforts. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about putting in the work, being consistent, and providing real value. And trust me, the rewards are definitely worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.